difficult part of learning English and how do you plan to overcome it? Yes. Can make English more enjoyable.
Mhm.
Could study or work in English speaking country. So,
Hmm.
where would you go and why?
Right.
You give me someone who is just start learn English. Yes.
Okay, a person who has started learning English, what advice I will give? So, how are you?
Then pretty well. What's about you?
I'm also doing great. Uh, just working on my to-do list one by one. I'm accomplishing all my tasks. So, yeah, going with the flow, no complaints. You tell me. Let's start from the introduction.
Introduction. Yes. We are meeting very first time. So yes. Can you introduce yourself? Yes.
Okay, sure. I would love to introduce myself first. So, my name is Mamta Prajapati. I am basically from Rajasthan, and however, I grew up in Gujarat. I have completed my graduation, and these days I'm doing my post graduation, which is MCA. And simultaneously, I run a YouTube channel where I share English learning content. And apart from this, I provide spoken English classes as well, and I prepare for cabin crew interviews. So you can say my plate is full. I have so many things to do. And if I talk about my hobbies, so you can say I'm an adventurous person. I love to try new things all the time here and there. So every month I try that now I'm gonna try any new thing. Okay, so reading books. I love to read books. I love to dance, and I love to contact with people, talking with them. That a brief summary.
Very nice. Imagine. Yes. I can say. Yes.
Jaipur.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, I have visited Jaipur so many times. And do you? Okay, so when did you start your YouTube channel?
Actually, my daughter. I have a daughter. She is 3 and 10 months old, and she also sing a poem, and we also help her. So that time, my actually husband also have a YouTube channel. So he told me actually for consistency, you also start your YouTube channel. And yes, I will start, and there I upload my solo, not solo, actually short, only short with my daughter. Yes. Yes, and there
Mhm.
I start
Okay,
and
that's
conversation.
husband is telling you that to start a YouTube channel, talk with the strangers. That's quite appreciable.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
I'm
may
grateful.
I know?
I know about tenses also. Yes,
Okay, so you have the basic knowledge of tenses,
yes, yes,
model verbs, and you are doing your listening with audiobooks and
yes.
reading Sudhamurti's book. Actually, great. These are the right things which you are doing. And I'm really happy that along with all these things, you have already started is speaking, because there are so many learners, they always have this excuse that first let me read everything, first let me listen everything in English, after that I will start speaking. But you initiated this journey very well actually.
I do
Hmm.
focus on four part. And sometimes writing
Yes.
also I do. Reading,
Yes.
writing,
Great.
and yes.
Great. So, like, how many years? It has been how many years, like, you have been married?
Married.
Married.
Year complete. Yes.
6 years.
Yes. Yes.
So, after 6 years, exactly what happened in your life that you thought that I want to learn English now?
Actually, after marriage, I complete my B.Ed, and there I, yeah, some student introduced in English language, and I'm not able to with my introduction. Yes, I wasn't able that time. So yes, it's happened, and so that's also, and yes, I listening audiobook. So that's also in my inside. I want to something do something for me 4 years. So I sorry, actually become self-independent. First priority, yes. So that's why also. And
Okay.
third,
Okay.
my
I'm
daughter
really
also.
feeling,
That daughter also.
yeah.
So yes, that's why
Mhm.
also.
Okay. So your daughter must be studying in English medium school.
Yes, yes,
Yes, that is why like you have this craze that I really want to learn English.
yes,
Great, actually. I'm really proud of listening all these things. You know what? I grew up in Gujarat. So there I
okay,
know that what is the importance of English. Okay. I saw that everybody was learning English or trying to learn it or speaking. But when like 2 years back, I shifted here in Rajasthan. Okay. After completing my studies. So here I see that nobody is interested in learning English. I
yes,
don't know why. Maybe they do not understand the importance of English because here in Rajasthan, people are preparing for competitive exams
exams, yes, yes,
first. Yes, government exams. They are crazy about that. They do not understand the importance of English. I don't know why. Because, see, in government exams as well, you need English, but still they're
yes,
focusing on writing and reading, not speaking.
yes,
So
yes.
I saw you like you are a homemaker, studying, preparing for something, and you are learning English. Good.
Yes, actually, this is
Happy to
my, I
see.
think, in my childhood dream, I want to learn this language. This language is very fascinating to me. Yes. So that's why always I enjoy this language. So whenever, yes, I do. So
Okay.
yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Glad. Okay. So, would you like to share your hobbies
Yes, my hobby is
apart from
actually,
learning English? Apart
yes.
from learning English, I mean, do you have any other interest or hobby?
Yes, yes. Actually, first listening audiobook and try to cultivate reading habit also these days. I complete Attitude is Everything book complete, and second Sudha Murthy Man's book. Yes, Stories of Bags. I one story before sleeping time. Yes, before go to bed. Yes, and I enjoy. Yes,
Uh, yes, Attitude is Everything. This book is really great.
yes,
I have read this book and I found that this is the book of like crush of every book. Okay.
yes, yes,
Whether either you read just 15 or 20 books or you read just Attitude is Everything.
yes.
This book is having like all the things which you read in 15 or 20 books. So I feel that if a person who is really beginner, okay, people who are watching this video and want to learn English or want to read like self-help books, so they can start from this book. This book is really good. Hmm. Have you traveled any other places apart from Rajasthan?
Yes, yes. I visited Gujarat also, and Himachal, UP, MP, Delhi. Yes, and part of Rajasthan, Udaipur, Mount Abu, Punjab. Yes.
Oh, wow. So after
Yes.
marriage or before marriage?
Some places before marriage and some after marriage. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So
Yes.
almost like 6 to 8 states you have visited. So
Yes.
which is the state like you really liked and would you like to visit again?
Uh, Actually, Himachal, Kullu Manali, my favorite.
Why?
Yes. I, uh, this is actually very close to my heart. Weather also there because here is a very hot weather, and there in the May month I went there actually in May month. So there is temperature is yes not minus, but I think I'm not exactly no don't know, but yes, cool weather is there. So pleasant
Yeah,
weather for
usually
winter.
like in Himachal or Uttarakhand, the weather is pretty cold.
Yes, and snow.
So yeah, we like the weather.
Mm.
Exactly like in Rajasthan, it's really hot. And I don't know, in this summer, first time I experienced the summers in Rajasthan and it was horrible. I felt like just leaving Rajasthan because this was my first ever experience. And I am someone I cannot, I don't like wearing like a half sleeves. So in summers, people do prefer, girls prefer, but I do not prefer actually. I
Yes,
am not
yes,
fond of wearing half sleeves. So it was so difficult for me.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
And
So
in
I thought,
Gujarat also very hot weather is there
but
because
but
I
not
know.
like this. But not like this. Not
Yes,
like Rajasthan. We can
yes,
tolerate the hot and the summers in Gujarat.
yes. In December month, very hot weather. There need actually fan. Here is
Mm.
actually, I think, not much hot. Yes, in December. Yes,
Yes, not December. I think in Rajasthan, after Diwali,
yes, yes,
we will need a blanket.
yes, yes.
Yeah, even right now, sometimes I need a blanket.
Yes. So
So,
I have
and here,
some question. Yes.
yeah, yeah, please, I forgot. Only I was asking. I'm really
Okay.
sorry.
Okay, okay, no
Please,
problem.
please.
So, what is the most difficult part of learning English and how do you plan to overcome it? Yes.
Okay, for me, see, there are two phase in learning English when I started. So that time speaking was really difficult for me. Okay, so if you ask me 2 years ago, so I could answer that okay, speaking part is really difficult. But now today, if you ask me, so I feel that using vocabulary on the spot, that is difficult task for me. I feel so. Speaking, and you know what? I used to feel that if somebody is asking me any random topic, so how to speak over it, that is not that much difficult for me now. I feel that now using advanced vocabularies, that is a little difficult for me. So now, second question, how to overcome it. Now,
Yes.
how I overcome it, I write, okay, I have learned five new vocabularies, advanced vocabularies. I write down that, okay, and I observe that these vocabularies, where I can use that, and what kind of topic I can just fix those vocabularies in topic. So whenever I have conversation, I'm
Yes.
talking with you right now, I will provide the topic that, okay, let's discuss this topic. Okay. And while discussing it, I will use those vocabularies in that topic. Okay. In that discussion. So this way, I will repeat that
Overcome.
sentences again and again. So this way, like I try to overcome it. I
Uh,
think I gave the answer of your question.
yes. 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 And second question, actually, how we can make English more enjoyable?
Okay. For that as well, in my core memory, I remember English was very boring for me. That's a great question, actually, you asked. English was really boring for me. I always hated English. Why? Because the methods which I was introduced in my childhood for learning English, those was boring. Not
Yes.
English. English is not boring. The methods which we use, that is boring. Okay. So to make English enjoyable, how I what I did, I started watching the content which interests to me. I like cooking. I will watch cooking videos. I like conversations. I will watch conversational videos. If I like sports, I will watch sports in English language, not in any other language. Okay. Earlier, when I started, so one of my tutors, he suggested me that watch BBC Learning. I mean, are you serious? I don't have any interest in watching news.
Huge.
So
Okay.
even like in Hindi newses, I don't like. I'm not into politics, and I really don't like watching newses. So now you are telling me that BBC News channel you should watch. Okay, if I want to learn any accent, that time I
Yes.
should
Yes.
watch it. But and yes, just because he said or he suggested me that you should consume BBC Learning English content, I started, and that is why it became boring for me. So what I did, I throw it in dustbin, that I'm not gonna watch it. I will watch things which interest to me. And this is how like I'm speaking English today. So many people have interest in newses as well. So they should watch news. So according to your interest, you can make English learning fun. Hmm.
Study or work in English speaking country. So,
Hmm.
where would you go and why?
I will go in America, I think, US.
Okay.
I will go. Yeah, because this is a country which is in very demand. I know so many people who are from Qatar, Oman, Saudi, or many other places. I know them and I have conversations with them as well, but they all prefer to go in America. So maybe there are so many different things. That is why. And even I have also watched so many videos, and their accent, American accent, I really admire. So that is why I would choose America to learn English and to visit there as well.
Yes.
Choices.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes.
My right now, like my current choice is like simple English. I don't want
Yes,
to
yes.
use like very advanced English. Like right now, if I speak advanced English, if you do not understand that what is the use of this conversation, I'm using those vocabularies. So that is why even I also prefer very simple English. But if you ask me that which accent
Yes,
would you
yes.
like to learn? American
British,
accent. I really like,
American.
admire.
But
Hmm.
I think British accent is native. Yeah, both are. Yeah, American and British.
American and
Native
British.
speaker. Yes,
Yeah, it is native.
yes.
They're native. Yeah.
And yes, what would sorry, what advice
So
would you give me someone who is just speaking to learn English, just start to learn English? Yes.
okay, a person who has started learning English, what advice I will give? Um, Go for your interest. Whatever you want to consume, just consume that. Do not listen to anybody, even do not listen to me as well. Observe yourself. What are your hobbies? What are your things? And what you would like to consume? I'm saying that listen to English songs. But what if you do not like English songs? So
Yes.
it doesn't matter that how many times you watch it. So I will say that consume English as much as you can according to your interest and speak every day. Do not listen that first I will collect all the vocabularies, tenses, after that I will speak. Do not make this mistake and do not try to master grammar rules. That is not necessary to master. Okay. And speak all the time. And yes, if you need correction, use ChatGPT or hire a tutor. Because if you are making a lot of mistakes and nobody is there to guide you, I think you will take a lot of time to learn it. So if you have sufficient time, so learn it by your own at home. But if you do not have that much time, maybe you have to prepare for any exam or interviews. So that time you can hire any interview. I mean, any tutor. That will be the advice for me.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any other question?
Actually, now not. Yes.
Okay. And even I also asked all of the
Okay.
questions. So can we wind up now?
Yes.
Or would you like to discuss something else?
Okay. Okay. Yes. I think
Mhm.
this is enough for.
Sure. Okay. It was a great conversation. First
Yes.
time
Yes.
I talked with a lady like who is from Rajasthan and all. Wish you all the best and stay happy always.
Okay, thank you so much. Give me your precious time, and I'm always
Mhm.
grateful for this. Yes.
Yeah, even I'm also grateful. Thank you so much for approaching. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.